In this video, you'll learn how to link Fireflies AI to Slack. By following these steps, you will successfully integrate Fireflies AI into your Slack workspace, enhancing your collaboration and productivity. Begin by navigating to the Slack application. You can do this by entering the Slack URL in your preferred web browser, or by opening the Slack desktop application if you have it installed. Ensure that you are logged into the correct workspace where you want to add Fireflies AI. Once you are in Slack, locate the sidebar on the left side of your screen. Here, you will find several options. Click on the option labeled Admin. This will take you to the administrative settings for your workspace. If you do not see this option, you may not have administrative privileges, and you will need to contact someone who does. After you click on Admin, a new menu will appear. From this menu, select Workspace Settings. This section contains various settings that you can configure for your Slack workspace. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available here. Next, look for the Integrations tab in the Workspace Settings. Clicking on this will direct you to the Integrations Management area. Here you can manage all the applications that are integrated with your Slack workspace. It is essential to have appropriate permissions to access this section. Now you will see a section for recommended apps. Click on this to explore various applications that can enhance your Slack experience. This area will show you a selection of apps that are commonly used and recommended for Slack users. In the search field, type in Fireflies AI. As you type, suggestions may appear. This will help you quickly locate the Fireflies AI application. Once it appears in the drop-down list, you can proceed to the next step. Click on Fireflies AI from the search results. This will open the application details page where you can review information about the app, including its features and permissions it requires. Ensure you understand what the app will access before proceeding. Once you are ready, click on the Install button. This action initiates the installation process of Fireflies AI into your Slack workspace. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a moment. Wait for the confirmation that the installation was successful before continuing. After installation, you may need to click on Add to Slack to complete the process. This step may prompt you to grant additional permissions for Fireflies AI to operate within your Slack environment. Read through the permissions carefully and confirm them as needed. At this point, Fireflies AI should now be linked to your Slack account. You can start using it right away. If you want to try linking Fireflies AI to Slack yourself, you can find the link in the description and pinned comment below. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.